So, do I still got it? Well, you tell me. Move the lid. Okay. You see that? Now watch. One piece of bread. Okay, now watch how it's still good. Oops. Gonna be able to move around. Just watch. Learn. Learn from a master chef, not from that fool on television. Calls himself a chef. See that move right there? Now watch this. Here's where Pappy would be happy. Okay, Pappy, ready? Come on, Pappy. Come on, Mike. Show him how it's done. I will. Ready? It's gonna be hard. Well, really it will flip. But ready? See that? That was awesome. The pan weighs about, I don't know, at least 5 pounds. So it's hard to concentrate. Whoops. You didn't hear that. Oops. I didn't do that. That was with my elbow. A little elbow grease. All right, but anyway, there you go. Beautiful sandwich. Put this back on heat. Yuck. Nothing worse than filthy. I mean, not filthy because that was actually I saturated the fabuloso. I'm so excited over the sandwich I can't talk, okay? I don't want to squirt water in it, which is what I'm basically doing. I'm not on purpose. All right, so there you go. Shut her down. And here you go, there's your sandwich, okay? You got a coffee filter so you can fold it in half. All right, any ants? Nope. Nothing bad. They're a delicacy with me. But you can see how well that works out. And you take her, fold her back so you don't bite into the filter. Don't go nuts here, you know what I mean? Leave yourself a clear sandwich. 360 degrees, ready? Take a bite. All right. Wow.